It's a new day for the administration of justice in the country as officials took steps to make it more accessible to the masses. Good evening, Bahamas. I'm Altaviz Munnings.
I'm Keishla Adderley. Thanks so much for joining us. Topping the news tonight, a new public defender's office opened its doors today. It's expected to assist in reducing the backlog of cases, case delays, and save thousands of dollars in the administration of justice.
Well, today, the country's leader officially opened the facility, which is located in the Bay Street area. Cleopatra Murphy has our top story.
Prime Minister the Right Honorable Perry Christie officially unveiled a sign declaring the Office of the Public Defender officially opened Thursday evening. Prime Minister Christie says the office has been opened as an independent nonprofit entity, will be providing defendants who cannot afford an attorney access to free legal representation, significantly lessen trial delays, and reduce the criminal case backlog.
These improvements are not merely symbolic, but at the heart of why this office is so important for all of us. Tackling the criminal case backlog and reducing delays amount to more criminals being brought to justice, victims and the families of victims finding peace, and the exoneration of innocent men.
Addressing members of the law enforcement and legal fraternity during a short ceremony, Prime Minister Christie noted that the legal system has been rife with challenges, noting that in 2012, the Attorney General determined that 16% of trials did not proceed because defense counsel was unable to appear in court, while another 16% stalled because the defendant was unable to afford an attorney. He says the new office will save thousands in administration of justice.
Greater efficiency has a compounding effect. Judges and prosecutors will have the time to try more cases, and the savings this office will create can be reinvested to continue our efforts to strengthen the justice system.
Attorney General Senator the Honorable Alison Maynard Gibson says the new office comes equipped with facilities that will allow public defenders to speak with their clients without them having to leave the Bahamas Department of Corrections. She says government is redoubling its commitment to let justice roll like a river.
I also want to indicate that Cabinet has approved the engagement of 10 public defenders and 4 have already been engaged. And the judges in the Supreme Court and the Court of Appeal can expect that they will be, starting this month, attending court to represent persons who have been unable to obtain representation.
Anticipating the improvements set to come with the Public Defender's Office, Prime Minister Christie says it represents a true and lasting progress of government's pledge to make the administration of justice swift, sure, and fair. Cleopatra Murphy, ZNS Network News.